to make astonishingly good Excel tables. I'm split this video into 3 different sections which are referenced from these 3 other videos I made. Make sure to check them out as well. Make sure to watch till the end because you might miss out on some shortcuts that make things much faster and easier. Alright, let's start, shall we? Okay, so the first thing we will need to do is to clean the data, obviously. As you can see, there are many blank cells here, and we don't want that. So the first thing we need to do is to clean up this raw data. To do this, first select the range of data using Ctrl-A or Ctrl-Shift-Space. Then, go to Home tab, click on Find and Select, and then go to Special. We will then select blanks, then click on OK. This will select all the blank cells. We can also do this via the Alt combination Alt-H, F-D, and then S, select blanks, and then click on OK. After we have done that, the next thing to do is to remove the rows where I have a blank cell selected. We can do this swiftly using the Alt combination Alt-H-D-R. And now that we've cleaned the data, we can now safely convert this into a table. This can easily be done using the shortcut Ctrl-T. Make sure my table has headers is checked, and then click on OK. Pick any design you like from table styles. I don't see the design I want, so I click on this drop-down arrow to see more table styles available. We're finished with the first part. Let's now move on to the second part. Okay, so now I want to make 3 separate columns. The first being the customer's first name and the second is their last name. For the third column, I want it to be the customer's last name first, comma with a space, then their first name. In order to achieve this, we will utilize Excel's text join formula. We'll first create a new column called first name. After that, to activate Flash Fill, we'll first type in the first name of the first customer. The moment you start typing the second customer's first name, Excel will detect that you want to quickly extract the customer's first name, as you can see here. We will press Enter once this appears, and boom! The first name has been extracted quickly. This can also be done using a formula, but that's more for automation rather than simple one-and-done tasks like this one. I'll quickly make the second column as well. And boom! The second column is done. Now for the third column, I'll first make the column, obviously, which we will call last and first name. Then after that, we'll type in the formula for text join, which will be this formula. So as you can see, we first need a delimiter. The delimiter we will be using is a comma, then a space. Make sure to encase it in quotation marks or else we will receive an error. After that, we'll enter in a comma, then we'll type in true. Enter in another comma, then we'll select the last name column. Enter in another comma, then select the first name column. We're finished. We can now close this formula off. After we've closed off the formula, we'll press Enter. As you can see, we have the value we want. Next, we will copy this formula to all the cells beneath it. We can quickly achieve this by double-clicking on this dot right here, which is also known as the fill handle. Since you've reached halfway into the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the like button. You can also check out my other stuff at this playlist here. Since everything else is finally finished, we will add our final touches. First of all, I want to quickly auto-fit the whole sheet, since you've probably noticed from the start that it's been quite cramped all along. I'll first select the whole sheet, then I'll auto-fit the whole sheet in a flash by using the shortcuts Alt-H-O-I and Alt-H-O-A. Now, I want to quickly adjust the text alignment of individual columns. I'll select the whole amount purchased column using the shortcut control space, and then I'll align the text to the left. Now, I want to be able to easily see how much a certain customer has bought. We can easily do this using conditional formatting. We will first select the amount purchased column. Then we'll access conditional formatting quickly using the Alt combination Alt-HL. Now, I want to apply a color scale, which we can access by pressing S. Now we will navigate to the green-white color scale using the arrow keys on our keyboard, and then press Enter. We've successfully applied the color scale, and now look at how much easier it is to see how much one of our customers bought something. I also want to emphasize how recent a customer has made a purchase. I'll do the same thing I did with amount purchased, but I'll just use a different color scale. Now, we can easily see who bought stuff recently. We're finished. If you want more shortcuts related to Excel, then check out this video right here in which I tell you so many shortcuts in just under 2 minutes. You can also check out my Excel playlist right here, which contains a lot of stuff. Once again, this was Minimalism Excel, and I hope to see you next time.